Congratulations, you've completed this module of File IO. You are a file wizard now. From this module, you've learned what a file is. You've learned how files are stored on a computing device. You've learned what file paths are and the differences between absolute and relative paths. You've learned about line endings and why they matter. You've learned about pathlib library and its basic usage. Finally, or also, you've learned how to open and close a file properly. You've learned some common scenarios of file I/O, such as iterating over lines in a file, searching within a file, and appending to a file, and then working with two files at the same time. You've also learned what a binary file is and how to work with them. And then finally, we went over how to read and work with CSV and JSON file formats. Congratulations, give yourself a pat on the back and get super excited because now you learned how to create a state within your Python programming and be able to save it for later usage and for presentation to your users. Great job.